Hello buddies, in video today we are going to see about endoplasmic reticulum. First to see cell. Cell is the smallest unit which makes all living organisms and it has many organelles. But today we are going to discuss about only the endoplasmic reticulum. A network, membranous tubules within the cytoplasm of eukaryotic cell continuous with the nuclear membrane is called endoplasmic reticulum. K. R. Porter, Keith Robert Porter. He was Canadian American biologist. He discovered endoplasmic reticulum in 1945 and named for us in 1953. Cisternae. Cisternae, long and broad and flat sac-like structure arranged in parallel bundles or stacked to form lamella. This narrow space is cisternal space. Okay. Endoplasmic reticulum has two types: rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum are studded with ribosomes. Like this dot-like structure is called ribosomes with the help of riboforine, and the smooth endoplasmic reticulum is absent in ribosomes, not dots like there. Okay. Totally, the rough helps to protein synthesis and smooth helps to lipid synthesis. See this diagram, guys. This diagram, proteins outcomes and transfer to transport vesicle and transport vesicle to Golgi apparatus and Golgi apparatus to secretory vesicle, and it expel these protein outcomes. Okay, that's all guys, today video. Thanks for watching.